Yes, I wanted to give you a quick demo of some of the work I've been doing along with the MCP module, AI module, all the contributions on those, and how the tool API that I've been focusing on can really unlock the power of those modules to do some really great things within Drupal. First, I wanted to shout out Pantheon, who's really helped jump in and help cover some of my development costs for working on Tool API over the last 3 or 4 weeks now. Let's jump in. In this particular case, I've got a quick demo Drupal site that's for my smart home products. The smart home product has a title field, a highlight field, a description field, a couple different taxonomy fields, product ID field, a support email field, as well as an image field. What I'm going to do is essentially using Claude Desktop that's connected to my Drupal instance via MCP. I'm going to use the tools or tools API to build out a new piece of content. Before we get started, let's just ask it to tell us about the tools we have available. And this is just a good way to make sure we have it connected correctly and that we can see the tools we're expecting it to use. So these are all the tools that are coming from Tool API. They're around both manipulation of content as well as manipulation of content types and entity types and bundles and so forth. Obviously the ones we're using right now are going to be focused more on the management and creation of individual pieces of content. Let's get started. Since we're a smart home site, I'm first going to just ask it to help me create this new product node, and I'm going to ask it for assistance in helping me complete its creation. So what it's actually going to do here is it uses the tool to look up and understand what fields are available, and then it's going to create a list of everything that it wants from me. And one thing you'll see pretty consistently is it's going to ask for permission the first time it uses tools. In my case, I'm going to allow this always. And it's essentially pinging for things. Tell me what taxonomies of type industry are available. Tell me what kind of taxonomies are available for tags, etc., etc. It's already doing some of the matching it needs. Now it's just asking me to complete this information. Let's start filling this out. In my case, we're going to create a smart frying pan. Let's say unpublished, default author, not promoted to front page, not sticky. Now, if some of this you wanted to pre-train, you can go in and alter some of this within the UI, or in time you'd probably have agents to represent some of this building, and then you could, within those agents, define some defaults. I always want to create it unpublished. Right now, it's asking me just because we're approaching this at a very high level where we're giving it complete control and saying, here's all the tools, as long as I have access to use them, then feel free to call them. So then it's asking for my product highlights. It looks like it's duplicating number 5, but it's okay. We're just gonna say let's just do this product highlight. Okay, 6 is product description, which I'm gonna just copy over. A quick description I came up with, and I'm gonna say please make this better and come up with a summary, because I'm using a text area that also requires a teaser summary. 7 is an internal product ID. 8 is a support email address. Let's just do support, and it's even using the description to explain what the format should be. So smart frying pan at example.com. 9, I'm just gonna say use recommended tags, or let's see, sorry, industry, use recommended industry, use recommended tags, create additional if necessary. 11, no images. 12, it wants me to create a demo address. Let's just make up a fake address. So smarter, smart home, and this location is at 1234 West Broadway Boulevard, and that's in Denver, Colorado, 80202. Great, and I think that's everything it's asking for. So first it's gonna call create node, then it's gonna start setting my values. I can actually see what it's doing. So type node type product, title, status false, promote false, so forth. Showing me the results in this case. I have some additional debugging turned on. Then it's essentially referencing that node with an artifact, and it starts updating the different fields, and you'll see it call this for each and every field. This is one of the changes I've been working on with the tool approach. Is it's very granular and it does per field instead of a large try to do it all at once. It looks like for the first time I'm calling create taxonomy from this, so I'm going to tell it that's fine, go ahead. And it's also looking through a list of taxonomy and finding what's out there and matching. It's creating some brand new tags for me. So it's creating terms and saving them, create terms, saving them, tags matter. Another one called thread, webcam, etc., etc. Now it's going back to the original product and it's adding them. And it's adding my demo address. And then it's giving me a summary. Let's go over here real quick. We'll refresh. You can see my smart frying pan. Looks like we had one mistake there, and that's published, something I'll need to check into. But title, got our product highlights, our support email, demo address. We have summary, product description, all these different tags, kitchen technology, and then that product ID. This is too many tags. Let's make an adjustment there. To the 4 that match the best. Okay, we've updated the product tags to just have 4 of them. I realize also that this has a high chance of creating lawsuits, so I'm gonna actually change the support address. Change support email address to legal@example.com. And then let's do something a little bit more complex. Let's actually update the organization on the demo address. The organization on the demo address to smarter, smart home, downtown Denver. And then let's go back over here and we'll refresh, and you can see those changes. So our support email is now legal@example.com. We're Smarter Smart Home at downtown Denver, and we've cut down our product tags to these 4. We're still making a lot of progress on more and more complex things, so keep following along, and alpha for Tool API should be out hopefully today. Thanks.